Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. But first, I wanted to let you know, point out something in your blue planner. So when you look at your blue planner, this page right here has a list of all of this year's Lone Star books. It also talks to you about ebooks and how you can download the app and get ebooks. Several of this year's Lone Star books we did purchase in the form of ebooks. Also on my website, it gives lots of new information about the Lone Star Challenge. We have changed it up just a little bit this year, and I'll talk more about that to you when your classes come. But if you're ready to get ahead, go ahead and check out my website for all of the Lone Star information. So one of the books that I'm sharing with you today is called Me and Marvin Gardens, and this is one of this year's Lone Star books. So I'm not a real big fan of the cover. The cover's kind of corny. But this was a really great book. If you have ever seen E.T., it kind of reminded me a lot of E.T. So our main character, Obe, he has lots of problems. His family's farmland is being taken over by developers. His best friend, Tommy, has basically abandoned him. And he keeps getting nosebleeds because of that thing that he doesn't like to talk about. So he hangs out at the creek, picking up trash and checking out for different animal tracks. So then one day, he sees a creature, and it kind of looks like a dog. But then the more he starts watching it, he realizes that this creature only eats plastic. Plastic bottles, plastic trash, plastic bags, just plastic. So in order for Orb to keep him safe, he has to keep him a secret. And so he keeps him a secret from his parents, from his friends, from everybody. And he's hoping to keep him safe as well. And so in order to keep him safe, Orb must make a decision that might change everything. So what happens to Marvin? What happens to Orb? To find out, read Marvin Gardens. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.